The Mazda CX-50 steering wheel alarm often triggers due to the hands-on detection sensor and lane keeping assist system. This alarm can sound even when your hands are on the wheel. The primary cause is often oversensitive sensor calibration or software glitches. Mazda released Software Update 3.2.1 in mid-2024 to address this, which recalibrates the sensor. First, ensure your vehicle has this update, downloadable via the Mazda app for connected vehicles or through a dealership visit. If the problem persists after the update, it might indicate sensor degradation, especially in humid climates, potentially requiring physical replacement. Park your Mazda CX-50 on a level surface and turn off the engine. Disconnect the battery for 10 to 15 minutes to reset the engine control unit. Reconnect the battery and start the vehicle. During a test drive, keep your hands firmly on the wheel to allow recalibration. If the alarm continues, visit a dealership for a professional LKA sensor reset using Mazda's diagnostic tools. For persistent issues, hardware failure like a faulty wiring harness might be the cause. A mechanic can diagnose and replace parts.